Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is another very easy tutorial. This is how to fix dead pixels on your laptop. This typically isn't a problem on desktop computers, but it can be. But it's much more present in laptops. Mine is an Acer Chromebook, and the issue is, see all of these little black things ranging from here to here? Those are a bunch of dead pixels, because I guess this Chromebook wasn't manufactured well. Mine is out of warranty. This problem arose about 2 days ago, and found a solution yesterday. And all it is just a simple Google fix. You look up dead pixel fixer. That's all you do, and you'll scroll down to J-Screen Fix Pixel Repair. You'll scroll all the way down. You'll hit Launch J-Screen Fix, and this is the slider that fixes your pixels. How it works is it's just static, which resets the pixel, and though this is probably not going to catch it on the phone, it's basically just static, and it fixes it automatically. It fixes about 1 pixel every 10 minutes, so this is going to be a very long process, depending on how much dead pixels you have. This could be anywhere on the screen, but mine are just all along the bottom right corner. This is guaranteed to work because I have taken my word for it. The dead pixels have been higher all the way over here, and their numbers are starting to dwindle. This is a very long process, so this website still works. This website still works on its own. You can just go to another tab, and it'll still work. Let's say you want to play some chess while that's happening. Let's say you have 3 dead pixels and you want to play a chess game. It'll still work, even though your tab isn't open on that page. If this video was unclear, please tell me in the comment sections. The reason I didn't film on my computer is because, well, it's impossible to. You have to get a view of the computer to see dead pixels. Other than that, there's not really any other solution than this. There are some other websites that you can use. I just trust this one the most. And you can take your computer back if it's under warranty. Mine, again, is not. This has been long off of warranty, about 1.5 years now, and this just is a result of bad manufacturing. I'm not dissing the company. This shouldn't happen with an early laptop. So if you guys do have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections, and if it was unclear, just tell me as well. Bye guys.